Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix error code E118 on Bosch oven. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, you might be encountering the E11 error here. So if your oven is showing the E11 error or what E118 error and it won't turn on, this error is related to an electricity issue. So meaning the oven isn't getting the proper power supply here. Now, how do you fix it? So first is you want to check your connection. So first, see how your oven is plugged in. Now, if you're using extension cord, unplug it and plug the oven directly to the wall outlet or power source. Now, if you must use an extension cord here, make sure it's heavy duty and one that can handle the power load here. Now, typically speaking, you need to look at the thickness of your power cord and just make sure it has the same thickness as what you are going to use, or the power cord or the actual power cord of the oven. So make sure it's the same thickness or even bigger if you can. Yeah, another thing you might want to do here is you want to check the circuit. So if your oven might be on a circuit with other appliances, which could be interfering with its power supply, try turning off everything else on that circuit. And if the error goes away, then the other devices are off, then again, your oven needs dedicated circuit to work properly. Again, you want to maybe plug it directly into the wall outlet. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.